do the game. Kaya nyo, kaya nyo. Okay, okay, okay.
Tapos pala si John. Nakita na, Johnny! Johnny!
Okay, after that, meron pa tayong marami pa tayong games for James and Yvonne. Meron pa tayong game. Nasaan yung galing kay Arian? Ayan. So, okay na. There's another gift for you guys. This is from one of your friends. Nice. Baliktad, James. Actually, this is for the mall. This is for you. Tama. Oh, babo. Buta na lang mag-exchange. Ayan, meron pa. Ayan! And actually, we have cakes from California. Sweet from California. Tapos ito, meron din siyang pinadala. Home. Know what's home? Ginagamit pag nag-wash ka ng dishes. Home. Yeah, it's an English word. I know, James. Hindi ko makita. Diba? Okay, we will read it first for you guys. Parehas siya, parehas.
With different personality, met in one house with the same quality. Two persons with the same sound in their heart fell for some reason, like they got hit by a dart. The two of you form an inspiring chemistry, and we, Javon, can tell that it's destiny. Both of you are the reason why this group is strong, because in our eyes, all is perfect and nothing is wrong. You, James and Yvonne, give love a different definition. And your chemistry is an answer to our question. You give us an inspiration all day and night. And the reason why we are all here, holding to this group so tight. Both of them as hardworking as an effort, keeping us James and holding this tight support. Your chemistry gives us a light, and we are soaring high and flying our joy flight. Just remember that we, J-Boys, are always here to support and giving you the best possible comfort. Thank you for giving us the reason to fly like a dog and letting us feel your inspiring love by blessing us with that. And the cakes are from her. For you, James and Yvonne, the cheesecake is for Devon, the cheesecake is for Devon, and the cake is for Jay. And this one is for you to watch. For you to watch the bigger one. Ethan's actually watching it via live stream. Ready ba ito?
Actually, yan yung dog. Nakawala natin yung dog. Ito pa James, Devon. Diba ang daming games? Alam mo naman ang mga James fans, walang pera. This is for you from KXC Qatar. Actually, siya, global fan from Qatar. Siya yung nabili ng mga scarves. Oh, you just one. You want? Oh, you sure? No, it's okay. Now that's from KFC Qatar. Ate Chris. Yun. Kakanta mo na ng mga fingers. Go. Wait, there's more. Wait, there's more. You have a message? Or... may gift siya doon. For James and Devon? Para sa amin? Okay, wala. Pala yun. Gisela. Ha? Ayan. Pwede nilang i-open dito. Anong name mo, te? Si Miss Hazel. For final exchange? Textures? Okay. Okay, open it. Yan. Okay. Palagay. Ano yung ginagawa naman? Wow, scar! That's a huge scar. Oh,
Lalo po, December 20.
Nakakala ko scar. Pasensya naman. Kasi puro scar. Di ba akala ko scar din? Yung kay Devon, ganyan din?
Talalagyan.
Open it. Carpet. A big scarf and a big carpet. I love it. Ito ba James and Devon? From East again. East of California. Gumawa ng poem and then ano the cakes? Third gift ni Ace for you guys. Yes.
Bongga! Ala nyo
Mickey Mouse. Doraemon yung kayo. Doraemon. Chocolate? Bigyan niyo ulit yung sila ito. Ito, James and Devon. Very a lot. This is from Kebez. Courtesy of Lola Bear, Dina Bear, and Adil. Of course, from Joy Bear. Open. Mom. Okay, next story na to. Same thing ang para sa akin. Meron pa? Meron pa tayo. Dito kayo lapit kayo dito. Ito. Ayan. I have any message for your mom? For James and Devon? Parang kanina ka James and Devon? Wala yung sabihin siya guys ha. Very emotional ito.
We have gifts for you from Ate Pate and Ate Angie of the Global Gents. We were assigned to give this to you, and we hope you will appreciate it.
Wala kayong ba yung picture frame ngayon?
Show it.
Kombinasa mo talaga yung style.
Love you to infinity.
Kiss, kiss!
Please, wala naman. Ano to?
Oh, meron pa? Meron pa? There's no more. Oh, James, yung mga global fan mo, they're asking for something. My God. Nakita mo? Ano ba Di sa akin! Friendly kiss from ano? Anything else? Ano yan? Gift din yan? Hindi, ikaw gift ka ba? Anong regalo ka din? You have any message for your fans? If you don't mind.
Thank you everyone for buying us this night. It's happy that we can celebrate Christmas with our
Are you
family.
happy?
Ayun! Thank you po sa lahat ng support natin.
They're asking for just a friendly kiss. Oh, good. Oh, kiss, 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 sorry guys. This is just one kiss. Come on guys, one friendly kiss. Hindi na kayo hindi na. Pero talaga, this one kiss guys. Ayun lagi sinisigaw sa shoutout. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, guys, okay. Kakalaman na tayo. This is for break to today. Ito lang ang break. Break. Look. Oh, James. Kaya, tayo na cake na. Totoo ba?
May hot dog!